The process of designing provides a structured approach to solve problems. Therefore, it is extremely technical. For logo designing, it begins at the step of idea generation and ends when the final ideal design of the logo is completed. Designing a logo isn't an easy task. There are various elements of a professional company logo design. Hence, this video presents the tips for designing a good company logo. Before we proceed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That little notification bell will also help you to be always informed about our latest updates. A logo represents of your company's identity. There is a link between the concept of brand recall, brand recognition, and your logo. When a customer looks at the logo of your company, he is able to spot you out in the crowd. Understand all the elements of a professional company logo in order to develop a good quality design. Following are a few corporate logo designing tips. Number 1. Go out of the box. Don't stick to the conventional standards of a typical logo. Follow a proper and systematic process to generate plenty of ideas. One of the major corporate logo designing tips is to approach the problems in a creative and innovative manner. Above all, you should work upon developing your own unique identity. For designing a good company logo, avoid adding unnecessary details. Don't make the logo overly complex. Look around and gather ideas from other logos. To include all the elements of a professional company logo, keep a track of the best logos in the market and analyze their designs. Avoid using the conventional colors, which are commonly seen in the logos, and break the taboos. For example, yellow color is majorly used in the logos of food companies. After gathering all the knowledge, brainstorm to generate an out-of-the-box idea. This is one of the primary corporate logo designing tips. Number 2. Inculcate flexibility. Your logo should have the same kind of outlay over different sizes and screens. Make it appear equally effective over different screen sizes. This is one of the most crucial corporate logo designing tips. For this purpose, check its quality over small and big screens. After all, the viewer should be able to understand the message easily in varying color combinations. For instance, if your logo is printed in black and white, it should hold the same amount of relevance as compared to when it appears in any other color. If there is any text content in your logo, then it should be clearly visible in small screens like a mobile phone. Therefore, develop an easily adaptable design for your logo. Number 3. Use of strong colors and fonts. The fonts and colors that you use in your logo must be strong enough. Therefore, experiment with different styles of fonts and different color combinations. Analyze the effects they generate. Accordingly, choose the best combination of colors and fonts in order to develop a strong design. Choose the color of your fonts according to the background or vice versa. This is a necessary step for avoiding a situation of mismatch. The right colors and fonts are a must for designing a good company logo. Designing a good company logo also requires a strong aesthetic sense. Number 4. Incorporate balance in your logo design. Designing a good company logo requires a balance between all the elements of a professional company logo design. Try to avoid a situation where colors are too much or the text isn't placed correctly. All such things make the design fussy. For maintaining balance, adopt a systematic procedure for designing. Use grids to properly structure the elements. Similarly, use straight lines with curved edges, horizontal lines with vertical shapes, dark tones with light hues, etc. Above all, maintain the relevance of the content in your logo while using minimal text. Remember, time is limited. Nobody would take the pain to deeply analyze your logo. Therefore, keep all elements of your professional logo at a balance by maintaining clarity and conciseness. Number 5. Be open to feedback. You're designing your logo for others. Therefore, the target audience can provide the right kind of feedback for your logo designs. This is one of the most effective corporate logo designing tips. Take their opinion on the designs developed by you. Ask them for pointing out problems and work on overcoming the same. Such feedbacks enhance your logo design and make it more appealing. All the above points highlight the most significant tips for designing a good company logo. Keep them in your mind while doodling with the pen. This will surely make your logo unique and keep its professionalism intact. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it further with your friends. Waiting to hear your views in the comment section.